Aloha mai kako, this is Ku'uipo with Download Hawaii, and this video is gonna cover Hu'alaloho no ka Lumi Au'au. So vocabulary words for the bathroom. Okay, so I'm gonna go down this list of words for pronunciation and then talk about some useful phrases. Okay, number 1, kianiani, mirror. Ka'ipuka, door. Ke kāwele au'au, towel. Ke kililau, shower. And this is a noun. These are all nouns, not necessarily verbs. Okay. Ke kopa, soap. Ke kopa lauoho, shampoo. Kalua, toilet. Ka pepa ha'aleu, toilet paper. Ka palaki niho, toothbrush. Ka pauka niho, toothpaste. And kapalaki or kapalaki lauoho, hairbrush, brush. Okay, here's some useful phrases. Brush your teeth, e palaki niho. Wash your hands, e holoi kalima. Pass me a towel, please. I kāwele na'u ke olu olu. Grab some toilet paper, e ki'i ka pepa ha'aleu. And then this next one, we have open/close the door. So for open, e vehe ka ipuka. So we have the open door, to open, vehe. And then to close, e pani ka ipuka. Close door, pani. Actually, with a lot of these sentences, you can switch them out. So if you're trying to say, pass me soap, I ke kopa na'u ke olu olu. So you can switch out the actual noun. And then same with this one, at the end here, when you're talking about the object, what to open or close, you can switch that out as well. So if you're trying to say, close the, what else do you close? Window. We're going to use pani for close. E pani ka puka aniani. Okay, so you just switch out the noun there. All right, mahalo.